What's up, guys? Not much is going on right now. Tonight was so crazy. Number one, I went somewhere with some people, um, some family, and we we had to go to some places, and like a store. Okay, I didn't really want to go in because I did not have a mask. Two, I don't really like shopping that much. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I didn't feel like going in, so I stayed outside, sat down, used my phone, But earlier in the afternoon, I went out for lunch with the LA Wolf and the Dude. Um, I had my personal favorite, and that was a grilled salmon salad. Very awesome. And I had a special drink. I'm not gonna say on camera. Um, but and then after that, I go somewhere. This part I can't tell you because I'm not allowed to. Um, but let's put it this way, in perspective. Um, I'm not gonna say this person's name or anything. I don't want to, but you know, he does not want me to say anything and why I was at somebody's place. That's kind of private, and I'm not gonna say why. Um, uh, anyways, I come back, and I have my phone, and the New York Yankees were playing tonight. Okay, my original idea was for me to stay home and watch that game. All right, so they were up ahead 2-1, 3-1. Right now, I come back. I put on my Stanton Yankee shirt to watch the game with my dad, but he passed away. What I mean is like I wanted his spirit to sit with me so he can watch the game. But here's here's the most craziest part. It was a rain delay. And then I heard in the background thunder. I'm like, oh great. So I could not watch the entire game. I had to turn it to the front to what's his name? Will Smith in in a program called the Fresh Prince of Bel Air. So that's what I was watching, and I had um some and some cold beer. Uh, and then I had because earlier, which I said, um, I also had like I had to eat something, so we went to like Panera. I wasn't that hungry. I barely ate my small mac and cheese. Yeah, I wasn't that hungry. Um, then I went somewhere and had two tacos. Again, family. Um, you know, but but the tacos were awesome. Uh, but The TV was not on, so I had to use the phone about the Yankee game and tell most of the people there about the game. And one of the Washington Nationals best player um, tested tested positive of of COVID. Now I feel sorry for that guy though, but um, I mean, let me sit down here. So, anyways, that's what I did. Um, that's why I'm saying everything was crazy today. This will be a short vlog for tonight, cause I mean, it's gonna be late though. I did, I, sorry guys. Which I said I had two beers and I can't even pronounce my words right. Um, but I would tell you in a follow up video tomorrow in the morning hour. Um, about my involvement by going down to New York City for some Yankee games that I have been to. Um, but I'll. So, anyways, uh, and then tomorrow going back out to eat at a place. It's a Japanese place. I found something that I might like, so I'll probably get that. So, anyways, this is gonna be short for tonight. I don't know if I'll be doing a video tomorrow night. I might be. I might be home like around like 8 maybe, so I can watch SmackDown. I can't even say my words. SmackDown Live, so I can see that bar fight with Sheamus and Jeff Hardy. But to me, in my personal opinion about Jeff Hardy and Sheamus, I don't like Sheamus that much. He's okay, but Jeff Hardy, um, I like him. I like him a lot. He's a good guy who's a good wrestler. Um, the reason why I don't like Sheamus now is because he's making fun of Jeff Hardy's drinking problem. I don't like that because I know everything is a storyline, yes, but the whole point is that affects me um mentally. Um, I'm I'm not gonna say people's names, but somebody I was talking to someone on my phone, and that person called me DRUNK. I did not appreciate it. So let's put it that way. I see you guys. I'll see you tomorrow in around like 10 o'clock maybe. So, favorite, like, share, subscribe, turn turn on the house bells, being informed with every video, and smash that like button too 27 times. I'll see you guys on the flippity flip.